In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us discuss irregular forms of verbs. Part 1, K, and their use in sentences. Number 1 word is creep. Second form, crept. Third, crept. Fourth, creeping. Sentences. A snake creeps because it cannot walk. Second form, crept. A snake hastily crept into its hole when it saw a hawk. Third form, crept. Many creeping animals have crept out of water for sunbath. Fourth form, creeping. Many animals have been creeping out of jungle because of lack of water. Number 2, grind. Second form, ground. Third, ground. Fourth, grinding. Sentences. People grind flour for making bread. Second form, ground. She ground flour in a machine. Third form, ground. She has ground a lot of flour in an electric grinder. Fourth form, grinding. She has been grinding flour herself since she bought an electric machine. Number 3, lend. Second form, lent. Third, lent. Fourth, lending. Sentences. He advises his son neither to lend money to others nor borrow from them. Second form, lent. He lent some money to his friend for starting a business. Third form, lent. He has never lent money to anyone because he fears that it won't be returned to him. Fourth form, lending. He was lending money to the poor people on the condition that they would return it within 2 months. Number 4, strike. Second form, struck. Third, struck. Fourth, striking. Sentences. They strike a tree to fell it to the ground. Second form, struck. They struck the tree many times, but could not make it fall to the ground. Third form, struck. He has struck a fatal blow to his enemy. Fourth form, striking. The fighters were striking blows to each other, but they stopped fighting when they saw a tiger coming towards them. Number 5, shake. Second form, shook. Third, shaken. Fourth, shaking. Sentences. I shake my clothes before wearing them. Second form, shook. He shook his head to tell us not to go close to him. Third form, shaken. They have shaken the pillar, but it doesn't come down. Fourth form, shaking. After shaking the pillar, they confirmed that it would not only be brought down by a machine. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.